Well, hey, happy Friday, everybody. It is Monday for me. Look what I get to do. Oh, yeah. There it goes. They're coming off. Oh, boy. I love doing that. Look at this thing. What a mess. All right. This is a, yeah, that's right, a Gibson Gospel. Check that out. Got the original tag on it. Kalamazoo, Michigan. USA. Another US-made guitar. Now, check out what's going on here. What the heck? Well, I'm going to show you a little bit of the guts of this guitar. Try and get you a good shot. I got to put you in my little camera holder here. Try and position this so you can see what's going on here. Can you see down inside the sound hole there? No. Right there. There's a nice block. See that block? Watch what happens. I'm going to push down on that. Watch that block down inside there. Watch it move. You see that block moving? My camera work isn't the greatest. Yep. The neck block has come loose from the interior of the guitar, and we've got to reset that. Beautiful old guitar. We're going to get this thing back up and running. Got to glue it. Let the glue dry for a couple days or a day, whatever. I'm hoping to have that thing glued up by 1 o'clock this afternoon. I've got some other repairs to do on this instrument. Before I can glue it, I got to do some preemptive strikes, you know. So, whew, happy Friday, everybody. Peace.